don't think anyone skied down this in so long. All I know is I've just got to be extra careful on trees because of tree rods. But really, guys, honestly, this is very peaceful. I'm at peace right now. Look at this. Just a quiet little spot in the trees. I need to cut out here, I think. It's pretty powdery in here though. I'm finding a lot of fresh tracks because no one ever comes in here, which is sort of part of the risk you take. But really it's quite nice, so I don't see any problems with it. Just some peaceful powder skiing. Out in the woods. It gets a little bit steeper here. I'm going to try to keep turning because I don't like having a side slip. Oh shit, look at what my pole just did. I planted on it and I needed it for support, but it just fell straight through. Whew. Well, I gotta say, this is about as isolated as it gets. I'm surprised that this is even open. Because tree well, look at that, big tree well. Honestly, there's so many unmarked obstacles and shit like that. I'm gonna try and, I don't know, I want to follow this guy's turn. Actually, I might side slip this bit. It looks like it goes into a bit of a ditch there behind that tree. Oh, fuck. Well, it looks like I'm following it. I tried to get into a side slip position, but I didn't have enough room. Oh. Yo. That was a fun little ending. Oh, come on. Surely there's a better way out of Club 21 than this. Really? Over a creek? Surely Ski Patrol would have to take the time to look at that and realise, oh shit, there's a creek here. How are they going to get back on the run? Side order's closed, so I suppose I'll end it here, but that was quite a nice quiet run.